Identify the reaction order from the problem. The prompt explicitly states that the decomposition of the pesticide compound follows first-order kinetics. Retrieve the standard kinetic equation for a first-order reaction from the AP chemistry equations and constant sheet. The relationship between the half-life, T1/2, and the rate constant, K, of a first-order process is represented by the formula T1 divided by 2 is equal to 0.693 over K. Rearrange the equation to isolate the rate constant. K. Algebraically solve for K by multiplying both sides by K and dividing by T1/2. K equals 0.693 over T1/2. Substitute the given half-life into the equation. The problem specifies that the pesticide has a half-life of 56 days. Substituting this value yields K equals 0.693 over 56 days. Perform decimal division. Without a calculator, since calculators are not allowed on Section 1 of the exam, use mental estimation or long division to find the value. Estimation method. Treat 0.693 as approximately 0.70. 0.70 over 56 is equal to 70 times 10 to the power negative 2 over 56. Recognize that both 70 and 56 are divisible by 7. 70 over 56 is equal to 10 over 8 is equal to 1.25. Now reapply the power of 10. 1.25 times 10 to the power minus 2 is equal to 0.0125. Exact division. 0.693 div 56 is equal to 0.012375 day to the power minus 1. Rounded to two significant figures, this equals 0.012 day to the power minus 1. Identify the matching option. The calculated rate constant of 0.012 day to the power minus 1 aligns perfectly with option A. The correct answer is option A, 0.012 day minus 1.